Weekly test.
To warn of the impending hazard. Tests for these receivers are normally conducted by the National Weather Service every Wednesday between 11 a.m. and noon. When there's a threat of severe weather on Wednesday, the test will be postponed until the first available good weather day. Reception of this broadcast and the warning alarm will vary at any given location. This variability, normally more noticeable at greater distances from the transmitter, will occur even though you're using a good quality receiver in perfect working condition. The tone alert will be activated for selected watches and warnings in the following counties. In the state of Indiana, Porter, LaPorte, St. Joseph, Elkhart, LaGrange, Steuben, Dart, Marshall, Kosciuszko, Noble, DeKalb, Whitley, Allen, Miami, Wabash, Huntington, Wells, Adams, Grant, Blackford, Pulaski, and Jay. In the state of Ohio, Williams, Fulton, Defiance, Henry, Paulding, and Van Wert. And in the state of Michigan, Berrien, Cass, St. Joseph, Branch, and Hillsdale. For more information, your webpage at www.weather.gov/IWX and click on NOAA Weather Radio. Under local information, we now return to normal programming.
And the nearshore marine forecast for the following: Calumet Harbor, Illinois to Gary, Indiana, Gary to Burns Harbor, Indiana, and Burns Harbor to Michigan City, Indiana. Rest of today.